Maintaining the healthy well-being of a society is paramount in creating a productive and economically prosperous nation. Survey done by World Bank regarding health in 2010 of money spent annually by individuals of different countries on preventive and curative healthcare portrays a very shocking picture. It's the birthright of every Indian to get quality healthcare at reasonable costs. But unfortunately, majority of the people in Mumbai and across India can't even afford basic healthcare services and insurance due to the spiraling cost of private healthcare in India and lack of space and attention in overcrowded government hospitals. In today's time, rising inflation has made health go on a back burner for middle-class families, so they avoid doing preemptive tests. Another key reason is ignorance on people's part. GSBS Medical Trust has been providing quality medical diagnostic services and preventive healthcare at concessional rates for the past 40 years.
I believe that even though a person may not be affording, he has a right to receive good quality medical care. Our services are at very reasonable rates, less than half of what you would pay in the private sector. Quality is still up to the mark. For people who are walking around not knowing they have disease, before the disease really gets to them. And if you catch a disease early, the cure is easier and it does without any damage or harm to the body. We started off with the aim of preventing disease.
Preventive healthcare has been our founding principle since our inception in 1960s. A group of enterprising men from the social Gauda Saraswat Brahmin Sangh group felt the genuine need for providing quality medical services at reasonable cost. This led to the birth of the GSBS Medical Trust. From a humble beginning in the late 60s by organizing annual immunization drive against cholera. 4 decades later, we are a full-fledged healthcare diagnostic and preventive healthcare facility with 4 centers in Mumbai having successfully served 1.5 million people. Strategically located at Dadar in central Mumbai, GSBS Medical Trust is one of the very few trusts run by doctors with the sole intention of serving people. The trust charter requires that the majority of the trust members and the president must be doctors. This helps to ensure the highest quality of services and equipment. Also, the trustees are better able to create an atmosphere of empathy and comfort to the ailing patients.
I must mention to you that none of the trustees or any of the members who voluntarily work here in the executive committee or in any other firm take any monetary remuneration from the trust, not even an honorarium.
Our team comprises of 100 visiting super specialists, the same doctors who work in the best private hospitals across Mumbai. They give undivided attention in diagnosing the problem and advising corrective measures.
चांगले डॉक्टर्स वगैरे आहेत इथे आणि चांगली फॅसिलिटीज पण मिळते विथ इन रिझनेबल रेट.
Our highly efficient staff put in their best efforts to make the patient and family at ease and go through the treatment process smoothly.
The staff at GSBS is fantastic. They are so cooperative and so nice. We feel a homely atmosphere.
We have never compromised on the quality of the equipment. We take the best efforts to make sure that we use good quality equipment, but we make sure that our equipment is updated.
We have state-of-the-art equipment as any private hospital. Our pathology laboratory's quality control is set at the highest standards and is ensured by regular testing of standard samples from approved agencies. Our services include X-ray procedures, EEG, stress test, PFT, gastroscopy, colonoscopy, 2D echo, sonography, mammography, ECG, OPG, cephalogram, pathology tests, ambulatory BP, Holter monitor, allergy test. We have a state-of-the-art dental laboratory making high-quality dentures, bridges, caps in acrylic and ceramic. We have tie-ups with MRI centers and other hospitals for tests involving high-cost equipment. These tests are done at a discount of 50%. Our medical partners are ICICI, Wockhardt, Chitra Scan and Imaging Center Private Limited, NM Medical Center, Satellite Healthcare Center, Magnum Diagnostic Center, Infinity Medical Center, MRI Center Bhatia Hospital, SRL Diagnostics, Dr. Avinash Farke, Aarti Laboratories, Sun Immunodiagnostic Center. At our modern Dadar Center, we conduct pre-insurance medical investigations for leading insurance companies and corporates. We have company tie-ups with Saraswat Cooperative Bank Limited, NKGSB Bank Limited, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, Franco Indian Pharmaceuticals, Griffon Lab, Hindustan Infrastructure Projects and Engineering Private Limited, Sycom Limited, Arogya Nidhi Fund, interest of which pays for free treatment and subsidizes service in other hospitals too.
We have now started an Arogya Nidhi Fund where patients who are really below the poverty line, the poorest of the poor, we do the services entirely free.
Strategic location, highly experienced doctors, state-of-the-art technology makes GSBS Medical Trust the ideal destination for quality diagnostic and preventive healthcare.
I will definitely recommend this place to a lot of people, especially because in terms of the service, and the major factor is also the price. It's really affordable.
I would recommend people to go to GSBS because we have lots of facilities, the staff is good and they treat everybody very nicely.
If you wish to support our mission, please spread the word among your dear ones about the services offered by our medical trust. Guide patients to avail our services for medical consultations and diagnostic services like checkups, tests, etc. Have tie-ups with us for your employees' annual health checkup. Contribute to our corpus. Sponsor a health checkup program for the needy. Sponsor a specialty equipment or facility.
We are there for service. My only grouse is the fact that more people are not availing of our services. We have invested so much in equipment. We have over 100 doctors working for us. We find that not enough people are availing of these services. We have surplus capacity. So I am requesting that more people should come forward and avail of our services. We'll only be too glad to serve more of them. The GSBS Medical Trust, the focus is very clear. Our focus is to serve society, to serve our fellow man. And the only thing we get out of this is a satisfaction, a deep sense of satisfaction that we are helping our fellow man. That's all that we are asking for, and that's what all the doctors who work for this trust and all the others who are working for the trust get. I think that is our biggest reward. We don't need anything else.
GSBS Medical Trust, building India through quality healthcare.